In this video, I'm going to show you how to open the command palette in Cursor AI in just a few simple steps. This is one of the fastest ways to access powerful commands, search features, and quick actions inside Cursor, so if you use the app regularly, knowing this shortcut can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look at the top left area of the window and click on View. This menu gives you access to different display options and useful tools inside the app. After you click View, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, find and click Command Palette. As soon as you select it, the Command Palette will open on your screen, allowing you to quickly type and run commands without having to dig through menus. This is especially useful when you want to move faster, stay organized, or access advanced features in just a couple of clicks. If you're new to Cursor AI, this is a great basic step to learn because the command palette is one of the most commonly used tools in the app. And that's it. You've now opened the command palette in Cursor AI. If this video was helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.